Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a short turtle tutorial to share with you, and I created these turtle nails for the third week of Dimension Nails July 2020 Nail Art Challenge, and I really like how they turned out, so I thought I would show you how I created these. I'm starting off with my favorite base coat, which is UNT's Ready for Takeoff Base Coat, and I'm going to apply that to all of my nails. For these turtle nails, I want the background to look like water, so I'm going to apply 2 coats of Sally Hansen's Big Teal. Then to mimic the surface water wave texture, I'm going to take a small piece of cling film, scrunch it up, and then dip it into a few drops of a white polish. Here I'm using Butter London's Cotton Buds. And then I'll lightly dab that onto my nails. Then I'll just remove any excess polish on my skin with a brush dipped in some acetone, and then I'm going to stamp this adorable little turtle from the stamping plate using Salon Perfect's Oil Slick and a clear jelly stamper from NAILSTUFF.CA. I'm going to do a little bit of reverse stamping to color in the turtle, and I'm going to use Born Pretty Scenery for the shell and Salon Perfect's Honeydew Honey Don't for the body. Then I'll just stamp it onto my nail and then apply a fast drying top coat to seal it all in, and I'm using Butter London's Hardwear Shine UV Top Coat. And here is the finished turtle design. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials just like this one, so be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video. And if you recreate this design, I would love to see it, so be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram. But anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!